Title: Eurobasket Fitness Guide. Level up your game with these exercise tips. Welcome to our Eurobasket Fitness Guide. Whether you're a player or a passionate fan, staying fit during the tournament is crucial. Here are some exercise tips to help you improve your fitness and take your game to the next level. Exercise 1: Cardiovascular Endurance. To keep up with the fast-paced action on the court, you need strong cardiovascular endurance. Start with jogging or jumping rope for 15 minutes every day. Gradually increase the intensity and duration to challenge your heart and lungs. Exercise 2: Leg Strength. Strong legs are essential for explosive movements in basketball. Try squats and lunges to build lower body strength. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Don't forget to add some calf raises to strengthen those muscles too. Exercise 3: Core Stability. A solid core improves balance and gives you the control you need during the game. Plank exercises and Russian twists are great for strengthening your core muscles. Hold the plank for 30 seconds and perform 20 Russian twists on each side. Exercise 4: Agility and Footwork. Quick movements and sharp turns are crucial skills in basketball. Incorporate ladder drills and cone exercises into your routine to improve agility and footwork. Practice precise movements and change directions quickly. Exercise 5: Flexibility and Stretching. Don't forget to stretch. Flexibility is important for injury prevention and maintaining a full range of motion. Hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, focusing on the major muscle groups used in basketball, such as the hamstrings, quadriceps, and shoulders. Remember, staying fit during the Eurobasket tournament will not only improve your performance but also enhance your overall experience. So, grab your sneakers, get moving, and level up your game. Thanks for watching our Eurobasket Fitness Guide. If you found these exercise tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay fit, enjoy the tournament, and may the best team win. Subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and Eurobasket updates. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for exclusive content.